The world of robotics is indeed fascinating, encompassing a rich history, exciting present developments, and promising future possibilities. Let's explore the past, present, and future of robotics. Past. The roots of robotics can be traced back to ancient times when inventors and philosophers envisioned mechanical beings. However, the modern era of robotics began in the 20th century with significant advancements in technology. The term robot was coined by the Czech playwright Karel Čapek in his play, R.U.R. Rossum's Universal Robots, in 1920. In the early years, robots were mostly confined to the realm of science fiction, but the concept gradually gained traction. The first true industrial robot, called the Unimate, was developed by George Devol and Joseph Engelberger in the late 1950s. It was installed on a General Motors assembly line in 1961 and marked the beginning of robotics in manufacturing. Present. In the present day, robotics has become an integral part of various industries, ranging from manufacturing to healthcare, exploration, entertainment, and more. Robots have evolved from being large, specialized machines to more versatile and intelligent systems. Industrial robots continue to play a vital role in manufacturing, increasing productivity, and enhancing precision and efficiency. Collaborative robots, or cobots, have gained popularity, working alongside humans in shared workspaces. They can perform tasks like assembly, pick-and-place operations, and quality control. In the field of healthcare, robots assist in surgery, rehabilitation, and caregiving. Surgical robots enable minimally invasive procedures with enhanced precision, while exoskeletons aid patients with mobility impairments. Social robots, designed to interact with humans, are employed in eldercare facilities and autism therapy. Autonomous vehicles, such as self-driving cars, are a significant development in robotics. They leverage advanced sensors, artificial intelligence, AI, and machine learning algorithms to navigate roads safely. Drones, another form of robotics, find applications in delivery services, aerial photography, and disaster management. Future. The future of robotics holds immense potential for further advancements. Here are a few areas that showcase exciting possibilities. AI and machine learning. Robots will become more intelligent and capable of learning from their environment. They will adapt and improve their performance over time, making them more versatile and efficient. Humanoid robots. Progress in robotics aims to develop humanoid robots that resemble humans in appearance and behavior. These robots could undertake complex tasks, provide companionship, or serve as assistants in various domains. Personal robotics. With advancements in AI and robotics, personal robots might become common in households. They could assist with household chores, provide companionship, and even act as tutors or personal trainers. Robotics in space exploration. Robots will continue to aid in space exploration, enabling us to venture into new frontiers. They can conduct scientific experiments, build structures, and perform tasks too dangerous or impractical for humans. Swarm robotics. Collaborative systems of multiple robots, known as swarm robotics, could revolutionize various fields. These swarms could work together to accomplish complex tasks, such as search and rescue missions, environmental monitoring, or construction. Bio-inspired robotics. Drawing inspiration from nature, robotics can mimic biological systems. Biomimetic robots could replicate the locomotion of animals, adapt to various terrains, or possess sensors inspired by animal senses. These are just a few glimpses into the potential future of robotics. As technology advances and researchers continue to push boundaries, the applications and capabilities of robots will expand, leading to a truly fascinating world of robotics.